Hey, educators and parents, ever feel like managing ADHD in school is like herding cats? Well, you're not alone. I'm Simon, working with and supporting ADHD young people and a fellow cat. Person with ADHD. Let's tackle this together. First myth. Kids with ADHD just need more discipline. Wrong, that's like trying to tame a lion with a feather. It's not going to work. Second myth. Just make allowances for ADHD and hope for the best. Also wrong, that's like giving your cat the house keys. Who knows what chaos will ensue? What we need is a balanced approach. Think of it like a team sport. Everyone, teachers, parents and kids, working together to score goals. Yes, it's a trial and error process. Strategies that work today might flop tomorrow. But hey, isn't that just like trying to find the perfect cup of tea? One day it's perfect, the next it's not so much. So let's keep trying, stay positive and bring that energy. With the right support, kids with ADHD can be superstars in school. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. Let's do this, kid at a time. #ADHD support, #teamwork, #educators unite.